If you are facing this kind of issue, let's see how to fix it. Firstly, tap on Setup Face ID and Passcode in the pop-up menu. Now, Face ID and Passcode page will appear on your screen. Here, you need to tap on Setup Face ID. Then tap Get Started. Now you have to set up your Face ID and passcode in your iPhone. After setting up the Face ID, tap Done. Now you have to set up your passcode. So enter your new passcode here and then verify the passcode. After that, go back to the wallet menu or app. Tap Add Card. Now you will see the problem like this. Let's solve this problem now. For that, tap Cancel and then go back to the settings menu. Swipe up and tap on General. After that, swipe down and tap on Language and Region. Now tap Region. Here, swipe down and tap on United States. Then tap Change to English US. After that guys, go back to the wallet menu and now you can add your card detail on your wallet menu. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.